study from Harvard Medical School found that certain lifestyle factors can actually reverse signs of aging at the cellular level. It's true, your body has the ability to regenerate, repair, and restore itself, even after 50, if you know the right steps. From protecting your DNA to supporting collagen production, science shows that small, consistent actions can make a massive difference in how you look and feel. And it's not just about appearance. These habits influence your energy, brain health, and overall longevity. Imagine feeling stronger, more vibrant, and more alive every single day. Today, we're diving into the most effective, scientifically backed ways to reverse aging, protect your body from damage, and reclaim your vitality. If you've been feeling like your best years are behind you, stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps you can start today, and you'll understand exactly why they work, right down to the cellular level. Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Vitalis, and on this channel we uncover real science-backed answers for life after 50. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I've spent over a decade studying aging, nutrition, and cellular health, working with patients to optimize longevity and vitality. My goal is simple: to help you look, feel, and live younger by addressing the root causes of aging, rather than just covering up the symptoms. Throughout my career, I've seen firsthand how the right lifestyle adjustments, what you eat, how you move, how you rest, can dramatically slow down the aging process. And I've also seen the consequences when these factors are ignored. Decreased energy, weaker immunity, and changes in skin, muscle, and bone health. In this video, I'll guide you through practical, science-backed strategies that you can apply immediately. These aren't trends or gimmicks. They are approaches supported by research, clinical experience, and years of observation. By the time we're done, you'll not only understand why these methods work, but also how to make them part of your daily routine for lasting results. The first step to reversing aging is removing the factors that accelerate it. Smoking is at the top of the list. Every cigarette damages your DNA, speeds up skin aging, and increases the risk of heart and lung disease. Quitting may feel difficult, but the benefits for longevity and overall health are immediate and dramatic. Alcohol is another hidden accelerator. While a glass of red wine occasionally may offer some antioxidant benefits, excessive consumption inflames the liver, damages cells, and contributes to premature aging. Moderation is key. Stick to 1 small glass per day for women, and maybe 2 for men. Anything more, and you're undoing all the other positive steps you take. Sleep is equally critical. Your body relies on deep, restorative sleep to repair tissues, balance hormones, and reduce inflammation. Chronic sleep deprivation increases cortisol, the stress hormone, which breaks down collagen and accelerates aging in both the body and the brain. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly, and create a routine that helps signal your body to rest, such as dim lighting, a cool environment, and limiting screens before bed. By eliminating these aging accelerators, you're giving your body the foundation it needs to rebuild, restore, and rejuvenate. Essential first steps on your journey to looking and feeling younger. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in reversing the signs of aging. Your body needs the right building blocks to repair tissues, strengthen skin, and maintain youthful energy. One of the most important nutrients is collagen-supporting vitamin C, found in bell peppers, citrus fruits, and even raw sauerkraut. It helps your body rebuild collagen, the protein that keeps skin firm, joints flexible, and connective tissue resilient. Healthy fats are just as crucial. Omega-3 fatty acids, abundant in salmon, mackerel, and sardines, protect your cells from free radical damage while reducing inflammation throughout the body. Avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats, which accelerate cellular aging and impair circulation. Antioxidants like vitamin E, CoQ10, and polyphenols in dark chocolate, almonds, and berries neutralize harmful molecules that age your skin and organs. Together, these nutrients not only slow the visible signs of aging, but also support your heart, brain, and overall longevity. By choosing whole, nutrient-dense foods, you give your body the tools it needs to heal, restore, and stay vibrant well into your later years. Exercise isn't just about staying in shape. It's a powerful anti-aging tool at the cellular level. Movement stimulates collagen production, strengthens connective tissues, and improves circulation, giving your skin a firmer, more youthful appearance. Simple resistance exercises like planks or slow controlled push-ups engage multiple muscle groups while applying gentle stress to connective tissues, which encourages collagen synthesis. Eccentric exercises, where you lengthen muscles under tension, such as slowly lowering yourself from a pull-up bar, are especially effective for building strength without overloading joints. Cardiovascular activity, even brisk walking or light sprinting, improves blood flow to the heart, skin, and organs, delivering essential nutrients that support repair and rejuvenation. Flexibility and mobility work, including yoga or gentle stretching, maintain posture and prevent stiffness, which also contributes to a younger, more energetic appearance. Consistency is key. Even moderate activity every day dramatically slows muscle loss, preserves joint health, and keeps your body functioning like it did decades earlier. By moving smartly, you're not just building strength, you're actively reversing the effects of aging from the inside out. Even with a balanced diet, most of us don't get all the nutrients our body needs to slow aging and repair itself. That's where supplements come in. Key antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E protect your cells from oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to wrinkles, joint issues, and declining organ function. CoQ10 supports energy production in your cells, keeping your muscles and heart strong, while alpha-lipoic acid helps combat free radicals and supports healthy skin and nerve function. Minerals like magnesium, zinc, and copper are equally important. Magnesium supports hundreds of enzymatic reactions in the body, including collagen formation, while zinc helps with wound healing and maintaining youthful skin. Copper is essential for connective tissue strength and elasticity. A daily multivitamin can cover potential gaps, but targeted supplementation based on your diet and lifestyle is often more effective. Always consult with your doctor to design a regimen tailored to your body's needs. With the right nutrients consistently, you give your body the tools to rebuild, repair, and maintain vitality well into your 50s, 60s, and beyond. Hormones play a critical role in aging, but it's important to approach supplementation with caution. Human growth hormone, or HGH, is often promoted as a miracle anti-aging solution. While it can increase muscle mass, studies show it does not always improve strength and may lead to water retention, high blood pressure, or blood sugar fluctuations. DHEA, another popular hormone supplement, also lacks strong evidence for safely reversing aging. The risks often outweigh the benefits, especially if taken without medical supervision. Even estrogen and progesterone therapies, while sometimes helpful, can increase the risk of heart disease or certain cancers if used incorrectly. The safer, science-backed approach is natural hormone support through lifestyle, quality sleep, regular exercise, stress reduction, and proper nutrition can optimize your body's own hormone production. Resistance training and cardiovascular exercise naturally boost growth hormone, while stress management and sleep help balance cortisol. By understanding the science and taking a careful, informed approach, you can enjoy the benefits of hormonal balance without unnecessary risks, allowing your body to maintain energy, strength, and youthful vitality in a safe, sustainable way. Your mindset has a powerful effect on how you age, literally. Studies show that people with a positive outlook on growing older live longer and healthier lives. Stress, guilt, and negativity accelerate cellular aging by increasing cortisol, which breaks down collagen and contributes to inflammation. To stay youthful, cultivate gratitude, focus on solutions instead of problems, and eliminate unnecessary guilt. Mental activity is equally important. Learning new skills, reading, or engaging in hobbies keeps your brain sharp and supports cognitive longevity. Social connections also play a vital role. Spending time with friends and family releases feel-good hormones like oxytocin, which reduce stress and promote overall health. Incorporate mindfulness practices such as meditation or deep breathing exercises to lower stress levels daily. Even short, consistent sessions can improve sleep, enhance mood, and strengthen your body's natural repair mechanisms. By combining positive thinking with mental and social engagement, you create an environment where both mind and body thrive, helping you look, feel, and function younger every day. To wrap up, remember that reversing aging after 50 is entirely possible when you focus on the right combination of habits. Phase out destructive behaviors like smoking, excess alcohol, and poor sleep. Fuel your body with nutrient-dense foods and supplements that protect and rebuild collagen. Stay active with exercises that strengthen muscles and connective tissues. Support your hormones naturally and practice a positive mindset that reduces stress while keeping your brain and social life active. Start small, pick 1 or 2 changes today, and build gradually. Consistency is the key that turns these strategies into lasting results. Aging is natural, but looking and feeling older before your time doesn't have to be. By applying these evidence-based steps, you can reclaim vitality, energy, and a youthful glow, inside and out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. And I'll see you in the next one.